in a cold November rain. Hello. It's November, it's raining, and I decided to go day trip in the wild. Just gonna walk somewhere in the forest and make a little bit camp, lay out tarp and make some noodles and stuff, coffee. I have no idea where I'm going. Just straight to the forest, I think. Kind of spooky Halloween weather. In the cold November rain. Some people say they hate autumns. Don't understand. You can walk in this forest and camping sites and whatnot, and there's nobody here. You can be yourself in here and enjoy the nature. Can't see anybody in here. Well, I'm not in a camping site right now, just in the random forest. I've never been here before, and I'm not sure where I even am. Whatever. I'm a grown man. I can't just get lost in the woods. Huh. You like this? Yep. Slippery. Very slippery. Let's just wander around and try to find a nice place. You know what this means? Fresh air. I've been wandering around in here like 45 minutes. Cool places in here, but I think I'm gonna circle back and get that top of the hill so I get a good view. It's really starting to rain. Cold November rain. This looks promising. Pool. Okay, look at this. My shelter. And I got the views now. Yes. I have a lamb's hair. What is this? It's warm and fuzzy. And I have a place to make food right in here. I forgot a fork or spoon or something. I have to make one. Yummy! Tastes really good in a cold weather. Pot. the most expensive coffee, but it tastes so good. You know, in the rain, your clothes are wet and kind of cold in here, and cup of warm coffee. It would be nice to stay here, you know, make a fire there and spend the night in here, but as a family man I have responsibilities, so I have to pack things up and go back home. Luckily my home is like 500 meters that way or that way, so it's not gonna be a long walk anymore. You never know what you can find in a local forest. They might surprise you. For me this is easier because I already live in countryside, so all I have to do is just start walking from my yard and I'm already in some kind of wilderness. There's no neighbors or anything in here. Cool.